দীর্ঘ 3 দশক ধরে ইলেকট্রিক্যাল এবং ইলেকট্রনিক্স আইটেমে ব্যবসা করে চলা ভারতীয় সংস্থা অ্যারাইভ ইন্ডিয়া প্রাইভেট লিমিটেড সম্প্রতি তাদের ব্র্যান্ড ইমেজকে জোরদার করতে এবং রিটেল এক্সপানশনের লক্ষ্যে বাজারে নিয়ে এসেছে তাদের নতুন প্ল্যান অ্যারাইভ ওয়ান কনসেপ্ট। তারই ঘোষণায় কলকাতায় উপস্থিত ছিলেন সংস্থার কর্তা ব্যক্তিরা।
See, we have recently today launched Arise One. Arise One is our brand shop, Arise brand shop. We are into trade from the last 30 years and we have a turnover around 1256 crores. This concept we were working for the last 3-4 years, considering that the young blood is there who are educated but they don't want to do the jobs, they want to come into business but they don't want to take risk also. So this Arise One concept is concept for them only. Considering that whatever the lacunas are there in other brands or systems, we have covered here, and all the risk which is there, the company is taking. In this, there are 3 slabs: 6 lakhs, 20 lakhs, and 60 lakhs. 6 lakhs will be the minimum investment. This will be as a deposit. The company will be transferring the goods worth 9 lakhs to him if he gives the deposit of 6 lakhs. The MRP, MOP, DP is freezed all India. That means if you buy a product at Calcutta or Guwahati or Delhi, the prices will be same. So the customer is not cheated here. The prices are reasonable. The quality is good and service is also there. Backup service is there. So all 3 aspects which customer wants is there. The products will be displayed in the counters because it's basically now customers are looking for, they basically do impulsive buy. So they want to see the products, aesthetically good products they want to buy. So they can buy those products also. Here the risk factor with the dealer is not there. There are 2 things which the dealer can join hands with. One is shop in shop concept. Suppose he has a showroom and he wants to take Arise One. He can give a wall where our racks will be placed, the products will be displayed on it, and he can sell other brands also. The branding cost will be done by the company itself, inside branding and outside branding. So here, and the best part is that we are giving a minimum guarantee also in this. Suppose 6 lakhs the dealer gives as a deposit, in the year end he gets 1.5 lakhs assured return gross. Suppose in the year end he gets only 1 lakh as a return, and from the system the 50 lakhs company will give. We have around 600 SKUs presently with Arise India, and we in this Arise One concept, all the products will be available, and there will be certain products which you have thought about. There will be new products also which you must have not thought about till now. For example, we have just launched Android TV, which is equal to the cell phone which you are using, Android. Other than talking, you can do everything into that concept. Could be WhatsApp or could be games, everything you can do. This is a unique thing which you must have thought about but not seen. So you can see this kind of a product in Arise One shop. And next month we will be launching a TV which will resolve the basic issue of the families, I will say, because now every house, husband wants to see some other program and wife wants to see, could be movie, so they have a tussle in between. So we have come out with a solution for this also. We will be launching one TV on which 2 programs you can see simultaneously and listen also to that. See, we have range in batteries and inverter. This is our own manufacturing unit, and we are very strong in the market otherwise. But this Arise One concept, all the range they can keep. So we have selected 2 models of inverters and batteries, and the quantity is on the dealer because he has a slab of fixed investment of 9 lakhs. He can take metal worth 9 lakhs if he invests 6 lakhs. So we are giving choice to the dealer. Whatever he wants, he can take in that 9 lakhs. It could be energy, inverters, batteries, could be pumps. Suppose the inverter doesn't sell much, he can keep only 2 items there. And suppose he has the confidence of selling geysers, and in the season time suppose for example he takes 50 geysers and season doesn't pick up, he sells only 10 pieces. So he doesn't have to have tension of keeping that stock for the balance season. Company will take back those 40 pieces and give the products which can be sold in the next month.
সংস্থার তরফ থেকে আশা করা হচ্ছে তাদের এই উদ্যোগ ভালোই সাড়া জাগাবে লোকাল ইনভেস্টরসদের মনে। এখন দেখার বিষয় তাদের এই উদ্যোগ কতখানি ফলপ্রসূ হয়।